Hello, good afternoon mga kayo. Friends, not friends, everyone. Thank you for...
Kaachingon man ko.
Aching lang din.
Sorry.
Thank you for watching our videos and keep coming back. To all our subscribers, thank you very much.
Sorry for the aching. It was 1 hour.
Oh, no, that's okay, that's fine. And we just had our lunch in pho. It's a Vietnamese soup.
For
So-
Saigon.
Pho Saigon, it's the name of the restaurant, and we have the soup and the rice plate. I'll show you here. And
Mahal ko yun.
after here,
Na-double ng price.
we bought bread. Where's the bread, Lala? We bought a bread, Shinki, our favorite bakery. It's a Taiwanese bakery. That's fine, yeah. And then after here, we will go to Ross. It's a discounted store, and Hobby Lobby and Home Depot. So we're gonna have a list of things that we're gonna buy for today. So
Para sa project.
yeah, samahan nyo kami. Let's go.
Oh, before that, Happy New Haircut.
Yeah, I got my new haircut.
By me.
And courtesy of my bossing Lala, she always cut my haircut. Number one.
Number one only, that's all I know.
Yeah. Someday we're gonna have a barber shop in the Philippines. They called Number One.
Because only 1
Because
inch.
only 1 inch. So whoever wants a number 1 inch haircut, it's free.
1 mm ang siguro niyo. Eh?
Okay, bye. Good to see you mga kayo.
Bye-bye.
Nami sa pho karon. We ordered soup number 1. What's in it, level?
Kuan, beef balls, tripe, tendon, combo siya. Rare nga na steak.
That's for bossing. Hindi mo ibutang togi.
Kani,
Bell
kani,
pepper?
this is jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Lemon.
Yan, kani, coriander.
And I order
Rice plate.
rice plate. So, mo niya akong gi-order. It's a rice plate, pork chop, sunny side up, shredded pork, and a little bit of salad, cucumber, carrots, radish, and lettuce. Sarap. Kain tayo mga kayo.
Gas today in San Mateo. Kamahal in Tawan. 5.79 ang pinakabarato per gallon. Yeah. 5.29 ang 5.79 ang mahal. 5.29 ang pinakabarato. Ay, saan na lang. I'm wrong. 5.99 kung walay car wash. Ang pinakamahal o niya, 5.49 ang kinabarato kung walay car wash. Mas barato kung nay car wash, pero mo palit man pug car wash. Pareho ra. Anyway, mao na.
So we're here at Ross, Dress for Less. It's a discounted store. And Marshall's. Discounted stores too. So we're gonna find some things there for our hubby. And then the Hobby Lobby is over there. So good luck to us.
Happy shopping.
Shopping at Ross. It's Ross. So gikan mi nag-shopping sa Ross. So we didn't go to Marshall's because we bought at Ross already the one that we want. Ito na yung pinabili ng mga saros. And bossing by mangonada from a fruit stand guy.
From
Here.
street vendor.
Street vendor. Then this is what we bought at Ross. Mat for bossing's exercise. This one is for dry fit for bakasyon sa Pilipinas kay it's gonna be raining in December. This coming December we're going vacation. And that one, and this one is for dry fit again. It's for swimming. Yeah. And of course, Lakers fan. Born a Lakers, I grew up a Laker fan, and Lakers for life. And I bought a belt and bossing's dress. Bossing's dress. Okay. Oh, I just noticed they're all black. Okay.
This is blue.
This is the weather today. That's a Sunny Place Station area. That's the blue building. Sunny. Lazy dog. Nice weather, blue skies. And we're still going to Hobby Lobby, love.
Yeah, you need to buy something there, huh?
Yeah, the foam, black foam. Okay, see you. I love the weather, California weather. So I'll just show you guys. I will show you the weather here. And we're going to Hobby Lobby.
A little overcast.
Uh-huh. Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. Crops, home decor, seasonal for. We're going there.
Hindi makapalit dato lang shirt.
See you. We're going to CVS Pharmacy. Wow. Nice cars. Kanindot eh.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator.